The infinite God is the ultimate cause of all finite creation. Creation exists and is caused by God. Therefore, God exists. We can say that intelligent creation exists because of an intelligent God. But who created God, out of whom all things else have come? The infinite himself. The law of causation applies only to finite objects. It does not apply to the infinite. Who made God? As all waves on the ocean become dissolved in the ocean, so all finite objects manifesting from the finite causes lose themselves in their eternal source. Similarly, the law of causation operates outwardly in creation, but is lost in the infinite. Through the law of causation, our original parents, the finite creations known as Adam and Eve, who themselves were special creations of the infinite, helped to create all humanity. Because we are created by our parents, and our parents by our grandparents, and all mankind has come from Adam and Eve, we ask who created God. We apply to the infinite the law of causation that created us. This is erroneous reasoning. When you are dancing with the waves of the ocean, you can't get a perspective of the ocean as a whole. But from the air, you have a bird's eye view of its vast expanse. Similarly, when you concentrate on creation and are immersed in it, you cannot see anything but creation and the law of causation working therein. But when with closed eyes, you learn how to look within, you see neither finite forms nor the law that created them, but glimpse the formless, causeless infinite. So it is foolish error for finite causation-born human beings even to question, who made God? The infinite made the law of causation that created all finite things, though the infinite itself exists without having been caused. As an absolute monarch may make all the laws in his kingdom without being bound by them, so the King of the universe makes all the laws in his kingdom, including the law of causation that governs his finite creation, but he is not subject to his laws. I, the Unmanifested, pervade the whole universe. All creatures abide in me, but I do not abide in them. Though present in all things, God is in no way bound by finitude. Therefore, the infinite is. We deduce his existence and omnipotence from his powerful manifestations in creation. His power is fully active in the manifested state. And during cosmic dissolution, all power, cosmic intelligence, and the law of causation become inactive and dissolve into the absolute, there to await the next cycle of God's creative manifestation. The forces of the storm that create waves in the ocean are manifest in the waves, but no power is manifested when the ocean is still. Similarly, in the creative state, the infinite manifests intelligence, mind, vibration, forces, and matter. And in the unmanifested state, the infinite exists solely as spirit, in which all forces lie dissolved. Out of space come light, nebulae, and weather, and into space they dissolve and hide again. That sphere beyond manifestation is the hiding place of spirit. The infinite, beyond the categories of vibratory intelligence, energy, space, and time, is thus a thing in itself. It can be felt and known as the eternal power that exists without a beginning or end. Creation is caused by God, but God simply is. No one, nothing made God. He has been and will be what he is forever and forever. O Arjuna, there is nothing higher than me or beyond me. All things, creatures, and objects are bound to me like a row of gems on a thread. This cannot be understood so long as you consider yourself a created being, subject to laws of cause and effect. But as soon as you become one with God in ecstasy, you will know exactly how and what God is: beginningless, endless, causeless. Then, being one with him, you will know that you too are the causeless eternal. As immortal man, you are a creation made by God. As an immortal man of realization, you will know yourself as a wave in the ocean of God, the one and only self-sustaining, ever-existing cosmic consciousness